Hey guys, it's Mrs. Irvin. I wanted to talk to you about what to do with your poetry portfolio to make sure you know how to publish it. And then when this whole unit is over, how to unpublish it so it's not out there for the world to see. Unless you want it to be, which is fine because the poems were amazing, right? So maybe they should be out there for the world to see, right? Okay, so anyway, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to the publish button. You're going to click the publish button. Now, if you've published it before, you'll get a message. There are no unpublished changes to review. Return to editor. So if you get that message, that's fine. If you get that message, go over to this little button over here, publish options, and click view published site, and then it gives you your published site. So then for today, when you're going to load that into the slides that everybody's sharing, just copy and paste this whole thing, and then you can load it into the slides that you're sharing today, okay? Listen, when you're done with this whole unit and everybody's looked at it and everybody's been like, amazing, right? Then you can actually unpublish it so it's not out there for the world to see, which is, again, up to you. To unpublish it, you'll need to click the edit this page. See this little pencil down here? I'm clicking that. And poof, I'm back to the editable, right? And on this, I am going to go into publish options again, and I'm going to click unpublish. And now it will no longer be live. You can still make edits and publish your site again. So I will click got it, and then it will disappear from the interwebs, okay? So then it will no longer be published. All right, cool guys. Hey, listen, I'm sorry I didn't get to say goodbye in person. I had so much fun with you, and I know you're excited to have Mrs. Hasty back, but hopefully I'll see you around, okay? All right, see you guys.